Strawberry jam is a classic, and for a very good reason. It tastes so good, and it's actually really easy to make. I happened to run into a good deal on strawberries recently, and so that's what I'm doing today. Now, I already prepped my strawberries by washing them and removing their leaves, and then I mashed up 5 3/4 cups worth of strawberries. And then I add 6 tablespoons of pectin, 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, and 1/2 of a teaspoon of butter. The butter is an optional step, but I really like to do it because it reduces the foam. So I'll then stir this up and place it on the stove. I want to get it up to a boil. I'll also have 8 1/2 cups of sugar pre-measured to the side. Now that my jam is bubbling up nicely, I'll add the sugar. And I'll stir it in and bring it back to a boil. Now that it's at a nice rolling boil, I'll set a 1-minute timer. I like to stir the whole time just because I don't want a chance burning it at this point. I'll then fill my pint-sized jars up to 1/4 of an inch of headspace, which is the space from the top of the food to the top of the jar. At this point, I switch to the spatula. I feel like it gets so much more out. I'll then use a clean damp cloth to clean off the edges of my jars. This is just to make sure that nothing interferes with the seal. I then add on the lids and rings until they're fingertip tight. Then I'll process these in the boiling water bath for 15 minutes if at sea level. I'm at 1,200 feet, so I'm gonna process them for 20. Now that it's up to a boil, I'll set my timer. Now that the timer's gone off, I'll remove the lid, turn off the heat, and let it cool for 5 minutes. I then take them out of the canner and place them on a heat-resistant surface anywhere from 1 to 2 inches apart so they can cool well. I'll leave them here for 24 hours so that they get a really nice seal. After that point, I remove the ring and use hot soapy water to clean off the jars. Then I'll store them in a cool, dry, dark location and use them in the next 1 to 3 years. For my taste tester, I'm gonna use some of my sourdough. Oh, I love fresh, warm jam.